untuk biopsi, lepas tu tunggu lab result keluar baru confirm
Cancer.
Apa perasaan bila baca report biopsi?
Sebab Dr. Mala, saya dah menunggu at least for about a month or 3 weeks lah at that time. Okay, also I have to let you know dah, during masa saya dah jumpa lam saya tu, sebenarnya masa tu Chinese New Year, okay? Banyak cuti tau.
Now I understand kenapa you tak boleh jumpa.
Banyak cuti, doktor cuti, doktor pergi
Okay.
holiday,
Kalau
lepas tu
tak,
doktor
it's not that
sitting.
difficult.
Okay, so it was a
Okay. It makes
Chinese
sense
New Year
now.
holiday. It makes sense
It makes
to you,
sense
right?
now.
And the doctor who agreed to see me after the Chinese New Year break, okay, was a Chinese. She celebrate Chinese New Year.
Now I know who she is.
Doktor yang lain, bukan saya cakap lah, yelah, mungkin itulah masanya korang nak ambil cuti
Of
kan.
course.
So I was like, oh my God, you celebrate Chinese New Year but you're at work. Thank you. Doctor, thank you. Ya, so bila saya dapat result tu, sebab dah macam dah bergolak jiwa saya ni for about 3 weeks. Actually, I felt so relieved.
But
I
finally
felt
you
so
got the
glad.
answer.
Got the answer what I was looking for. Saya lega sebab I know what to do now. So I'm also the kind of person, is probably my personality. Okay, give me a blueprint. Tell me what to do. It's like we're going into war, just lay out the plan for me and let's do this. Because I lega sebab saya boleh nampak jalan. Sebelum ni saya tak nampak jalan sebab tak tahu apa benda tu.